I recently took the Lecher and Bioresonance Harmonic Remedies course with Anne-Marie, and I can honestly say that it was an outstanding experience. From the very first moment, you notice the perfect balance between science and personal approach. Anne-Marie is a scientist with a background in clinical chemistry who knows better than anyone how to convey her in-depth knowledge in an understandable and accessible way. Her passion for the subject can be felt in every lesson, and her dedication to her students is admirable. This course is an absolute must for anyone interested in combining energetics with science. After the training, you are able to measure yourself with your Lecher antenna, also in a specialized shop that sells a wide variety remedies, to look for which remedy or remedies you are lacking at that moment, which allow for your bioenergies to be balanced. This way of working saves you lots of money because you only buy the remedies you need. We went very deep into the indications and attention points of the remedies that were selected during the measurements. In a structured and scientific way, Anne-Marie discussed these remedies with us in a manner that was understandable to everyone. Thanks to Anne-Marie, I am not only richer in knowledge, but also feel inspired to continue on my own path. Thank you, Anne-Marie. Kimberly, complementary therapist.